Hello, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at how to use 3 different AIs, how to tie them all together to get free listings that you can get for the who's most likely to move, what neighborhood, how to do the data, everything. So we're going to start in an AI called Manus, M-A-N-U-S. So again, you need to just go ahead. This is free. Just sign up for it. And then once you sign up for it, as you can see, it's right here, ready to go. No problem. And then I'm going to ask it a question. So again, Manus is a really good one. What it is, it does deep research. So remember, ChatGPT is what? It goes through, it talks to you, it has conversations. Manus is a deep research AI. So I'm going to go here to my prompt and copy this first section. And right here, act as a local market research strategist. I'm a local realtor in San Antonio. You could put anywhere, Austin, Houston, anywhere. Analyze public trends, inventory, demographic, identify 3 to 5 neighborhood or micro neighborhoods with strong listing potential that may be overlooked by other agents. Specify what type of sellers are most likely to list in those areas. Highlight the specific trends or pain points, which is important. Affordability, pressure, life cycle, and present findings in plain English with clear takeaways. So you have that. I'm going to take that. I'm going to go to my Manus and paste it in there. And then I'm going to hit go. And as you can see, this is great because it starts thinking. And right here, I understood on analyze the head and listing opportunities. Now right here, if I just hit got it, you can see right here, Manus is working. So what I did is I clicked that button and now I can see these are all the different places that it's scouring the web right now. Like I said, it's researching. So all these places, it's pulling all the data, all the market stats, everything I'm going to need for those whole places to see what's out there totally. And then all you have to, again, I clicked on this, it opened up, and then it shows me everything I'm browsing. So this is the power of Manus. As it goes through, it does all the deep research for you. So instead of just having a chat with ChatGPT, again, ChatGPT, because it's a chat bot to have discussions back and forth, this is a different type of AI, again, called Manus, that you can pull through and you can pull all the data and look at all the different stuff it's going up, showing you everything. And then it's showing you the home prices, saying about 58 days is giving me all this data, and it's still pulling data, which is amazing. So it's going to keep pulling, and see it's pulling everything from San Antonio Board of Realtors, Realtor.com, Zillow, Redfin, San Antonio market trends, housing data. If you name it, it's putting all this together and organizing it right now using this browser data. So once it's done all its research, here it is. It even has an executive summary, breaks it all down, gives us the area, gives us all the thing, all the seller points, all this amazing information, all the hidden opportunities, shows all these different properties, different areas you can pick, everything we asked it to do. And then the great thing right here, it has it for a market research report. So if I click on that, I can go ahead and I can download this whole report right here at the top, and I'm going to download it as a PDF. So I just go right there, I download it to a PDF. It's good to go. I'm going to throw in my downloads right now. And there it is. Now it's in there, ready to roll. So we're going to take this report that's ready to go that we just downloaded. We're going to go back to ChatGPT now that we were at before. If we weren't, we're here now. We go back to new chat. We're going to upload that report to ChatGPT. So there it is. We're pulling it in there. And if you look at the next prompt, the listing opportunities, we're going to go right here. Based on this analysis, create me the lead generation plan to attract listings from these opportunities that include the following: prospecting, where to prospect, scripts, objection handling, social media content, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and Facebook ad strategy. We're going to get all that based on this. So we're going to give this, here's the analysis. I'm going to just whatever, just do Grammarly. I won't worry about Grammarly right now. We're just going to jump into that, and then I'm going to hit go. And then it's going to read the document. And here it goes, building the whole thing out for us. So again, here it goes. These are the top 5 neighborhoods, or these time, Timberwood Park, south of Timberwood Park, Dinwiddie Hill, Tobin. Those are great. Gray Forest, yep. Oakwell, Village Oak. These are the best areas right now that are saying that are hidden, kind of hidden nest in San Antonio that do. And here is some scripts. Here's some unlocking, upsize, or retiree scripts. Here's handling objections. Here's some social media content. Here's a Facebook ad strategy, ad types, And then if you want to, you can build a prospecting calendar and go from there and build it out like that if you still wanted to go for that far. Okay, so now we have all the data. We're ready to go. It's all here. The next chat we're going to do is come here, and we're going to turn this all into a lead magnet, and we're going to put this in ChatGPT as well in short form. I said Gamma. So we're going to put this into ChatGPT, drop this little prompt in there, and as we do that and it prompts it, it's going to build this all out. And what Gamma is, it's a way to build presentations into a nice guide. Some people are going to say, I'm not ready to go, I'm not ready to buy, I'm not ready to sell. They're just going to want to go real quick and, just go not be ready to take the next steps. So we're going to build that out, and you can see it has all these great sections ready to go. And then this pairs with short form videos, anything like that. And then we're ready to go to design this for Gamma. And then here's some suggestions if you want, or you could just copy that and put into Gamma. We'll do that together. So now that we have it all done and ready to go, I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to go like this, copy the whole little guide, the outline of the guide. And then when you go back here, this is the text you want to put into Gamma. So if Gamma, again, is free, if you don't have an account, make a free account. And you want to go right here once it asks you what you're going to create. I'm going to paste in text. It's going to give me this box. I'm going to paste it. Now I need to put a little prompt at the top. So I'm going to come back up to the top and go like this, and then go grab my prompt to put into Gamma. And this is San Antonio, Texas. So Gamma, the goal of this lead magnet generator home seller in San Antonio, Texas. So I'm going to give it my little goal. I'm going to have it do its thing. And then I'm going to use whatever I want to use here. I want to generate from notes or an outline. I'm going to continue to the prompt editor. So I pasted it in. I gave it the idea. I sent to the prompt editor. It pops up. I want to do concise. And again, we told it what we want. It looks good. If you have a certain theme you want, I'm just going to leave night sky is fine for the theme. Image source, I'm going to leave AI to let it do its own images. And then I'm going to leave it. If you want to do any extra keywords, you can. I'm not going to do any of that right now. I'm just going to leave it like it is and hit generate. And then Gamma will go through and build the whole presentation for us in a really beautiful presentation you'll see right now. It's coming. And there you go right there. And it's so easy. As you can see, the whole thing is just built out. It's giving us great AI tools. As it's building, if I scroll up, you can kind of see it right here. See, I did kind of a night presentation. I could do more of a day. It could be anything like that. So here's some little hot spots of what we should do. I did like an evening presentation, but it could be anything you want. And as you go through, that's kind of what the style of the image is. And it's going to go through based on what I give it. It's going to build that whole presentation for me like it just did. Okay, whatever it's trying to say. Yay, you did it. Good job. And I have to let it, after you do your first one, you have to let it kind of show you what it is. Okay, and that's my content. And then great. Okay, perfect. Yay, it's happy. Okay. So then I have my presentation that's ready to go. Let me see if I can minimize that. There you go. Now, when you have your presentation, you have your book. Like it says, you can do diagrams, you can do all this. It's right now, it's get started, but it's ready to go. And then you can take this and I can either share it, or I can go here. I can, export it, which I want to do is export. So if I click export, I'm going to export it. I'll do this one to a PDF. That's fine this time. And I'll throw it into a PDF. And then once it exports all this into a nice guide, you can put this in different places. I recommend either putting in your Google Drive and make it a shareable link, and then take it to a landing page. Again, I'm going to go right here and download it. Your San Antonio Home Sellers Playbook. And then you can take this guide, and here it is right here, looking all pretty, ready to go. And it's a beautiful presentation already done for you for that whole Home Sellers Playbook ready to go. Now, the other thing we can do with this is, like I said, if you go to your Google Drive and you go to My Drive, you can drop it in here in your Google Drive, and then you would have a way to right-click anything in there, and then you could make it a shareable link. Now, if you have Bold Trails or another CRM, you could log into your CRM. I'm just showing it in Bold Trails, but you do the same in Lofty if you had a Lofty setup and you want to do it there. In Bold Trails, you're going to go to Lead Engine. It might be under More. Once you open up your Lead Engine, you're going to go to Landing Page, pick your domain, which is your name, and hit start building. And then when I'm in landing page, remember we have this beautiful design here that looks great with all the different things, San Antonio Home Seller Playbook. I can go right here and I can say, get a copy, get your copy of the San Antonio Home Sellers Playbook. Anything like that. And then, of course, you should spell it right, not like me. And then you just go through and clean up if you made any mistakes. And then you'd make any other wording, you make the background different, all that kind of stuff. We do other videos on how to do landing pages. And then where it says URL after login, you can link that into your URL. Now, another good idea, if you don't want to do it this way and build a landing page to link back to your book that you created or your guide, and why it's the best year to sell, is that you can use, if you do this in Instagram, you can connect what's called ManyChat. It's an semi like an AI bot that talks to your clients for you. You just have to set it up. We'll be doing another video on ManyChat already to kind of show you how to do that. And that connects to Instagram or your Facebook business page that convert your clients and talk to them for you. All that's in there and ready to go. Hope that's helpful. Go ahead, take advantage of these opportunities. I know we use 3 different AIs. Remember, we started with Manus. We got our deep dive into research. We used ChatGPT to have it answer questions. And then after that, right here, we went to Gamma to build our presentation. So it's very interesting. And if you go here to present, I can also use Gamma to actually present the presentation if I want to do it that way. And then I can just kind of present it like that and it looks all professional. And it does it all for me. So if you do more than one AI sometimes and mix and match, it works better together and you get better results, not just ChatGPT. Hope that helps you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Talk to you in the next video.